Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fold an origami belt buckle. So first we're going to fold in half like this, fold, now turn, fold these creases to the center. No, wait, hold on. First you want to next fold in this way, but only make a pinch mark in the center like this. And then fold the edges to the center or pinch mark. Like this. And then unfold. Fold this one to the crease on left side like this, and then fold like this on the center crease. There. Do the same on the other side like this, and then fold like this. Now turn over and fold in half like this. Like this. Hold on. So it was like this, grab this shape, and stuff fold in half like this. Okay. Now, next fold this edge, kind of pull it out, fold it here, do the same on the other side. So we're kind of like putting it onto this point. So you have to get it to that point. And then flatten it. Now you should have like a pentagon shape like this. Do the same on the other side. By the way, I did not invent this origami thing. Okay, then anyway, let's fold these parts in. You'll notice that there are these flaps or on these two sides. You do not want to fold those parts. And then fold the top down, and then fold this part down. And then like this, and then do the same on the other side. And fold this and then now let's go onto this part and kind of open it up. And you see this crease in the center here? We're going to fold the closer, the upper edges to there, like this. And then we're going to turn it over, and you should have this shape. If you don't, then check to see what you did wrong. We're just going to pull this part. I'm not trying to be mean or anything. Like this. Now fold in there. And do the same more here. And there. Now you have the origami belt buckle. That's just what I call it because it looks like that.